Maybe if he will reach maybe 2,000 subscribers.
No, if I
What?
reach 100,000 subscribers.
Okay.
If I reach 100,000 subscribers, I'm gonna make a tutorial on how to solve this.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Now I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna sing the whole song of Manong Bacon.
Oh no, I can't. I don't fit. Wait.
Because you're too big. Because you're too big. Because you're too big.
You serious?
Oh, maybe I can just do like this.
Hey guys, today I'm gonna form this cube.
So you're gonna form that so that.
Sorry, because I didn't prepare the speech.
Okay. Okay. So do it. So he's going to solve this cube without me helping him.
First, I need to place. You can see this.
Okay, they can see it in the other camera.
Basically anywhere here.
It's okay. It's okay. Go. Just go.
And I need to find the next one. But as you can see, it's here. And
No, you're too close. Like that. Can be like that.
it's here, right? And it's here where I need to place it, so I can turn it, then place it up. Now you can peacefully just make. Okay, next. Make sure that this is
No, it's okay. Just do it. You don't need to.
color is straight. Top to the middle is matched. If it's not, just turn it in. Magic. The cube is destroyed. Thank you, Lord. That is. Thank you, Lord. This is okay. I'm almost done. this layer. Oh, the yellow cross is done. Thank you, Lord. This is a bit easy. Correct. 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 Oh, this is my problem. This might not be solved.
Why? Voila!
Magic.
Magic! Oh no! Okay, so we're done. So, what will we do? So, thank you for watching.
Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button. Bye, guys. Make sure
So,
not to skip
If
ads.
you want to learn how he solved it, maybe if he will reach maybe 2,000 subscribers.
No. If I
What?
reach 100,000 subscribers,
Okay.
if I reach 100,000 subscribers, I'm gonna make a tutorial on how to solve this.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So what will they do?
Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell button. And how many favors? And don't skip ads. Bye, guys. That's our favors.
Bye guys.
Bye, guys. Yay! Give me 100,000
Subscribers. Okay.